All right, on this Monday night, I hope you had a good weekend, especially Saturday was really nice. Yesterday was probably a good day to stay inside. A lot of you probably did. A clear, cold night in store for us tonight, but sunny and breezy tomorrow. So it's going to become more breezy as we get into the day tomorrow. And then that will bring the possibility of rain late tomorrow night. So I do think we have the chance of a little bit of rain here in the forecast. Already a look at the clouds and the radar that indicates that we do have some clouds farther out to the west. They thicken up a little bit and get a little more dense as you get farther out to the west. And now some rain is falling in Nebraska, and eventually that will head our way. But there's a very weak warm front that is also coming out ahead of that, and so that'll help warm us up a little bit during the day tomorrow. It's 33 here in Terre Haute. Linton has 39. In Robinson, it's 35 degrees. Casey, 38. Mattoon, 34. Effingham, 35. And then a little more cloudy as you get farther into the west of Illinois. Not much of a wind out there. A little more wind than what we had earlier this evening. As we get into tomorrow, it will become more breezy. But here we have an east wind at 3 miles per hour. There is no wind in Paris. Southeast in Robinson, southeast in Vincennes, Flora 5, Effingham 5, and Mattoon 5. So just a light breeze. And one of the things is you do the calculation and so on, and we can come up with a wind chill factor, for example, of 30 or 39 or 29 or so on. But we really haven't had warm enough weather to warm the ground up enough for us to get those nice mild breezes. So anytime the wind blows, there's a real chill to the air because the ground is still quite cold. So now here's tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Meteorologist Lindsay Monroe will be here, and she'll talk about how tomorrow's going to get a little bit warmer. We'll have some sunshine. Temperature tomorrow in the mid to upper 50s. But also take a look at the Storm Team 10 Futurecast, 6 o'clock tomorrow night, and then look at what happens here. It's midnight tomorrow night. See how this rain starts to come in through the overnight hours, through probably the first part of the day on Wednesday, and then the rain is out of here. So it's not going to rain all day Wednesday. It's going to rain late tomorrow night into the first part of the day on Wednesday. Mostly clear and cold, 27 for the overnight low tonight. Mostly sunny, but a cool southeast breeze tomorrow, even though a high tomorrow, 56 degrees. And then for tomorrow night, cloudy and breezy, a chance of rain developing late tomorrow night, an overnight low of about 43 degrees. And the 7-day forecast, so rain late tomorrow night into part of the day on Wednesday, a high on Wednesday of 47. Thursday, the first day of spring. Average high is about 53 or 54 degrees, so we will have an average first day of spring. A sunny day with a high of 53, then 64 on Friday, but a lot of times this time of year, Patrice, it warms up, and then that brings in a chance of precipitation. So again, we go from 64 on Friday to a high probably of around 49 on Saturday.